Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Shatabdi Dhar, Senior Faculty of SVIST. Today again I am here to discuss with you some programming in C using loop structure and nested loop structure. Here we will discuss about two programs. The first one is to generate full pyramid of star for n rows, and the second one is to generate full pyramid of numbers for n rows. Now we will discuss about the program, that is write a C program to generate full pyramid of star for n rows. Here you can see in this picture, this is an example of a full pyramid of star for 5 rows. To solve the program, that is write a C program to generate full pyramid of star for n rows. At first I have written here that hash include stdio.h, that is standard input output header file. Then int main, this is the main function. Within this main function I have declared integer I space rows k equal to 0. So 4 integer variables are taken here. After that, a message is passed here, that is enter the number of rows through the printf function. Through the scanf function, the value of the rows, that is the number of rows, will be taken from the user through this scanf function. After that, through the for loop, that is I equal to 1, I less equal to rows plus I, k equal to 0. So I will be initiated from 1, will go up to the number that is rows, and pre-incremented I, k equal to 0 here. Within this for loop, again a for loop will be executed, that is space equal to 1, space will be go up to rows, that is less equal to rows minus I, rows minus I, plus space, that is pre-incremented of space. Within this printf space. Within the upper for loop, a while loop will be executed here. The condition will be k is not equal to 2 multiplication with I minus 1. Printf star plus k will be the statement within the while loop. After that, for the outer for loop, printf, through this printf, new line will be displayed here, and at the last return 0. So this is our program for generating full pyramid of star for n rows. Now I am compiling this program. Now executing this. So I am giving here the number 10. So I will generate here a full pyramid of star for n rows. So here is our full pyramid of n rows. Now we will discuss about this program, that is write a C program to generate full pyramid of numbers for n rows. In this picture you can see this is an example of full pyramid of numbers for 5 rows. So to solve the problem, that is write a C program to generate full pyramid of numbers for n rows, at first we have to write the hash include stdio.h, that is standard input output header file, then int main. Within this main function, we have to declare the integer variables like I, space, rows, k. K is initialized with the value 0, count initialized with 0, count 1 initialized with 0. Then the message is given here through the printf function, that is enter the number of rows, and through the variable rows the number of rows will be given by the user through the scanf function. Input will be taken through this. After that, for loop for I will be executed here, that is I equal to 1. I will be start from 1 and loop will be goes up to the value rows, that is I less equal to rows plus plus I. Within this again a for loop will be executed, that is space equal to I, space less equal to rows minus I, then plus plus space. Within this for loop a space will be printed or displayed and plus plus count will be executed. Count will be incremented by 1, pre-incremented. Then while condition will be k not equal to 2 multiplied with I minus 1. When, that is if count less equal to rows minus 1, printf I plus k. The value of I plus k will be printed here. Again plus plus q. Else plus plus count 1 and printf the value of I plus k minus 2 multiplication with count 1. The value of count 1 will be multiplied with 2 and minus from I plus k. After that plus plus k and count 1 equal to k equal to 0. After that printf the /n, that is new line will be displayed here. At last the return 0. So here is our program for generating full pyramid of numbers for n rows. So compiling this program, now I am executing this program. Now here is showing the message, that is enter the number of rows, and I am giving that value 10. So the number of rows is 10. So here is our full pyramid for 10 rows. Hope by this video you can understand the important programs using loops. Thank you for watching this video. For watching more programs on loops, don't forget to subscribe my channel.